Rapid response harm reduction test strips provide a simple way to screen samples for target substances. While specific instructions may vary by product, the basic process can be remembered in 4 checkpoints: prepare, dilute, dip, and interpret. Before testing, review the instructions in your kit or on BTNX.com for your specific strip. Sample amounts, dilution, and timing can vary. Results are qualitative and presumptive and do not confirm drug safety or purity. Prepare a clean workspace. Gather the strip, the microscoop that's in the pouch, and the instructions. You'll also need a timer, clean water, and, depending on your sample type, you may need a clean container, your cooker with drug residue, or your sample bag with drug residue. All 3 testing methods will be shown in this video. Check the expiration date and confirm the pouch is sealed and undamaged. With the materials prepared, we're moving to checkpoint 2, dilution. Mix the original sample thoroughly before collecting the portion you will test. For pills, tablets, crystals, rocks, or shards, crush the entire sample into a fine powder. Mix thoroughly before testing, keeping the bag closed when possible to prevent spills. Transfer 1-level microscoop, or the specified amount, into a clean container. Add the recommended amount of clean water and mix well. Some binders, coatings, or fillers may not fully dissolve, which is acceptable if the sample is thoroughly mixed. For bag residue testing, empty the bag, add the specified amount of clean water, close it, and gently shake, swirl, or massage the bag to rinse all interior surfaces. Use the rinse water for testing. Bag residue may be less representative than powder samples, and a negative result does not rule out the target substance. For drugs prepared for injection, add the specified amount of clean water into the remaining residue in your spoon, cooker, or container. Stir or swirl thoroughly, and use the rinse solution for testing. Once the sample is diluted, you're ready to move to the next checkpoint, dip. Hold the strip by the printed end and avoid touching the white membrane. Hold the strip vertically and dip the wavy end for 10 to 15 seconds, keeping the liquid below the maximum line. Remove the strip and lay it flat, then start the timer. And now, the last checkpoint. Interpret the result. Use the results interpretation guide printed on the back of the pouch. A negative result can be interpreted as soon as 2 lines are visible. Visible faint lines also mean a negative result. A positive result can be interpreted once the control line has appeared and the background has cleared to white, typically by 60 seconds. No control line means the result is invalid. Review the procedure and repeat with a new strip. Across the rapid response harm reduction test strip line, each product is designed to screen for a specific target substance while following a familiar testing process. Prepare, dilute, dip, and interpret. Backed by BTNX's experience in rapid diagnostics, rapid response harm reduction test strips help make substance screening more accessible, practical, and easier to integrate into harm reduction programs. For support, contact us at the number listed on the product insert. Explore the full harm reduction product line at www.btnx.com.